Hello, yeah. As always, we're gonna put the stats down there and then we're gonna talk for a bit. This has probably been the first day when it was actually really hard to write. I think it took me like 3.5 hours to get my words that I wanted to get done, and I'm not happy with them. Basically, none of them, I'm sorry, but that's just how it is. You have good days, you have bad days, and then you can have terrible days. I feel this was one of the terrible days. If you can tell, I'm still a little stuffy nosed. Anyway, I thought I was gonna share a few. I was gonna number how many rules, but I have no idea how many it's gonna become. But few rules I try to live by. 1. Always be honest. If someone asks you a question, answer it honestly, because there's no point in lying. You gain nothing. 2. If if always expect an honest answer to a question you ask, and accept that answer. That kind of harpens back to the first one. If someone asks me a question, and I'm gonna give them an honest answer to that question, if they don't like it, the problem is with them, not me. I didn't tell them what they wanted to know because I gave them the truth. Cue a famous movie clip of how they can't handle the truth. Anyways, third one I try to keep up with is don't rush things. We got time. We always got time. We have as much time as we make for ourselves. There's always this thought experiment of the teacher and the jar and the stones, gravel and sand. If someone wants to hear it, I can explain it later, but it's not really important. But never rush, because when you rush, you cut corners. When you cut corners, you make bad stuff, and when you make bad stuff, you're basically fucked up. He says that's writing Nanowrimo and basically vomiting words. Hypocrites. And also that. Accept that humans are flawed. We're not perfect, and anyone who says they're perfect is lying, which makes them a liar, which is a flaw, which doesn't make them perfect anymore, and done. Yeah, but for now, I feel that's all I'm gonna share today. That's my 3, 4, 4 rules that I try to live by. Be honest. Accept an honest answer. Never rush. And people aren't perfect, so don't expect perfection from them. So, that one kind of harpens back to these two as well. People will lie to you. It will happen, unfortunately. But if and when they do, forgive them. Maybe they didn't mean well, maybe they meant well. Oh, in that case, 5. Try to see things from other people's perspective. Can be really hard, but try. After all, you're not perfect, right? Anyways, I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna blow my nose. I'd go to sleep. I'm really, really tired right now. So, take care, be well, all that. I'll see you tomorrow.